Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my tips for looking young and healthy. No matter what your age is, let's start with the basics. Drinking plenty of water is one of the most important things you can do for your skin. It helps to keep your skin hydrated, which makes it look plump and youthful. Exercise is also essential. Regular exercise not only helps you stay fit, but it also improves blood circulation, which gives your skin a healthy glow. Sunscreen is another must-have in your skincare routine. Sun damage is one of the main causes of premature aging, so always wear sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables is also crucial. These foods are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that help to fight off free radicals, which can cause wrinkles and age spots. Pampering yourself is also essential. Regular facials and spa treatments can help to reduce stress, which can take a toll on your appearance. Plus, they give your skin the extra TLC it needs to stay looking young and healthy. Finally, surround yourself with positive and happy people. Laughter and happiness are great for your mental health, and studies show that people who are happy and optimistic tend to age better than those who are not. So there you have it, my tips for looking young and healthy. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Thanks for watching.